Struggling to show off all your product variations on your Shopify store? Having a hard time managing pricing and inventory for your numerous variants? Looking to avoid the high cost of photo shoots for every single variant? If you sell customizable products, chances are you're facing one of these challenges, but things are about to get easier. Welcome to Angle 3D Configurator. Swap out product images for 3D models to increase engagement and boost revenue. Change colors and textures, and switch up accessories for unique designs. Discover Angle's unique advantages like the PDF export feature to save custom designs. Increase conversion and customer confidence with augmented reality. And sell multiple products as one unit using bundles to increase average order value. Setup is 3 simple steps. Simply upload your model, create your own configuration, and integrate on your storefront. It's fast, easy, and there's no code required. Install the Angle 3D Configurator app on Shopify and enjoy your free trial today.